So to access films on demand, you'll go to our library homepage, and then you'll scroll to the bottom, and under resources you will click electronic resources. From there you'll go to our alphabetical and then click F, and then go down and click films on demand. From there it'll take you to that website. If you're off campus, you may need to log in using your Berea credentials and Duo. From there you can go up to search and type in your topic, and then hit enter. From there you can go and filter by the subject, or you can do the format. You can do segments and full titles. The segments are just 2 to 3 minute clips from a full documentary, and then the full title is a whole movie. Languages, types, whether it's a documentary, dramatic production, educational video, feature film or drama, lecture or interview, or newsreel or primary source. The copyright date, or the producers. For now, we're just going to leave it at this. So here's this first one, would probably be the best for this topic, would be politics and social media. Although it's a segment, it's 3 minutes, and if you click on it, it will take you to the video. It'll tell you the full program title, as well as all of the segments. The cool thing about this is you can do the transcript, where it will type word for word what they're saying, so you can easily cite it in your paper. Another cool thing is if you go up here and search, let's say we need something about the word Facebook. So as you can see, it brought up these little black dots.
This neat.
So once you search, it'll bring up this orange highlight. From there you can
Facebook, their opinions. I've found that there's a sense.
You can click and it'll highlight each word as it's read. You can also share it, add it to your playlist so you can watch it later, cite it, and when you click cite you can do MLA, Chicago, EPA, or Harvard. It also gives a brief description, as well as the producer, the date added, the copyright date, and the type and the length. Another cool option is you can do different search terms, like in our library catalog. It has the and, or, and the not features. Again, you can search with the filters that were shown earlier. You can do those that already have closed caption, that have educator resources, interactive transcripts, and that were recently added videos within the last 30 days. Films on Demand is a very cool and very unknown resource that is available through the library. It's very helpful for visual people like myself that needs to see something before they can understand it. Lastly, I want to talk about is the subjects. So if you go to the subjects, there is all kinds of subjects that have films on demand. So you have anything from dance, which is STEM, religion, student diversity. And they also have all these cool live performances. So punk and Christian, country, jazz, opera. Let's go to holiday music. So you can watch the full video. And here's the different songs. It's a really cool feature that Films on Demand has, and I just think it's a great source for those who visually need to see any kind of information provided. If you have any other questions, feel free to send us a message through the library's website. Thank you.